Okay, so now we're going to talk about bank accounts. Bank accounts is pretty straightforward. Go to the drop down, click on the add edit account information. So you enter the name of your bank, Bank of America. Owner, we're going to get to owner probably in the next section. The name of your bank, right? BOA. The account type, this is a drop down. Let's just say it's a checking account. The current balance on your account, $2. Minimum balance, if there's a minimum balance, some bank accounts require you to have a minimum balance in there. So if there's a minimum balance, you enter it in, otherwise zero. And some bank accounts, if you have a bank account, you can also earn interest as well. So you put the interest rate that you're earning on your balance. In this case, going to be zero. Bank fees, if there's monthly bank fees, say it's $12 a month. And this is the date that the bank fees are actually charged, taken out of my account. So it's usually the last day of the month. So we're just going to take, say, the 30th. And that's it. So you save it. And again, just like income, you can edit it or delete it.